I'ma head out then.
Big moves, I'm that dude. Bet I see you from the top, yeah, real soon. Looking down on the haters that I've been through. Told them I'll see you.
What's going on, man? Tap it in. These last year in there, did you?
I had 6 of them, yeah.
Oh, you went a little bigger.
I got no music. I'm trying to get Pandora. I left everything I had at the house.
Yeah, no.
You know, the Pandora.
Hey, man. Hey, that's, we left some stuff at the room. I said, I'll be. Come all this way and leave something at the room.
I got this, but that's just for loads, you know?
Yeah.
I can play you some of that. You want to hear something?
Hey, man, whatever you can do, man. I'm good with that.
All right, turn that down a little bit. Adjust some shit. Let's see what I can do.
Those 15s or 18s?
Making beats for the streets and ladies' crib.
year, but I didn't get. You had a line last year, so I didn't get a chance. So.
Yeah, there was a lot of people. Yeah. Well, you know what it is? I had different batteries last year.
Yeah.
This year I went with lithium.
Oh, you had C-Max last year, right?
Yes. No, I didn't have C-Max last year. This year I do.
Yeah.
I had I forget what kind of batteries they were.
It wasn't in long.
I had I forget the name of it now. But yeah, they weren't lithium.
Yeah.
They weren't them batteries that I had in C-Max.
Doing a whole lot better now.
Oh yeah. Well, I weren't able to turn it up loud last year. I got like 30 seconds. I have to turn it down.
Okay, then you kept on doing 30 seconds. I was like, it's like you were playing it a lot.
Yeah.
I couldn't tell how long you were playing it.
Exactly what was happening. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
People getting in, they were listening for like 10 seconds.
Yeah.
Because it was one after another. And then I'd have to wait 15 minutes for them to charge.
Charge it back up, yeah. I remember it was a line.
The Cyber 12.
Okay, the Cybers, yeah.
I had the Cyber 12. I had 4 of those. And I had Maxwell caps.
Did C-Max do a whole lot better, you think?
These? Yeah. These right, yeah.
That charge rate come back up quick, don't it?
Well, I have 2 540 alternators.
Oh, you got some big ones. You got some big ones. Yeah.
But they work really well at 10 RPM.
Yeah.
But when I hook up the 2 alternators together, because this card,
Yeah.
it idles below 10 RPMs.
Yeah.
So if you keep it at 10, idles perfect. Charges the battery nice.
Good to go.
But you gotta keep your foot on the pedal or get something to adjust it to that point. You know what I'm saying?
I used to wonder why people do that. I was like, there's gotta be a reason behind it. That's what it is.
Well, a lot of people, they know how to do it or whatever. You can get a stick and put it to the pedal to the seat.
Oh, okay.
You can do anything.
To make it just right.
Yeah, but I just built this whole thing on a fly because I had 2 Sundown SFB 3,500 amps in the back on Saturday, which I was bringing here.
Yeah.
One smoke. So I had to take them 2 out, and then I put 4 15Ks back there. So I didn't even hear this thing until I got to the show today.
Really?
Didn't even hear it.
You designed and boxed everything yourself?
Oh yeah.
That whole get up.
Oh yeah.
So does the 4th order hit the higher notes better than the 6th, you think?
I don't know. There's always
something in it.
thing. I tell you the truth, I like the 6 better.
You like the 6th better?
Yeah, I think they're more difficult to build because you got to really know what you're doing. Because if you do them wrong, what are you doing? You're ripping it apart, or extending ports or shortening them.
Yeah, that's what I think. I might do me a 4th in this go around.
If you know what you're doing, if you build a 6th order, perfect. I mean,
you got to get it just right to make it do right.
Yeah, because they play highs and lows. You know what I mean? You can get where you want. These 4th orders are one-hit wonders. Yeah,
that's what somebody told me. I seen somebody that said, one hit, you get it right, you'll be all right, man. I said, I'm gonna try that.
If you tune it to like 28 hertz, this thing will play all day. Beautiful for you.
Yeah.
If you go higher than that or whatever, it just doesn't play as well.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
I'm gonna definitely try that, man. I sure appreciate it. Where can I find you at, man? On social media anywhere?
I don't go on there. You go Bass Junkie 2020.
Yeah. Yeah, is that your vein that's on there?
Yeah, James.
Yeah, James. Yeah.
That's my new build.
That's my guy.
That will be out next year.
I was thinking, I said, maybe he have it done.
Check this out. I got 800 amp hour C-Max in there.
That big old bank?
800. No, I have 2 more. I have that one plus one in the back, and there's another one. It equals to 780 amp hours. Like, well, 800 rounded off. And I have 24 18s. Okay.
I was watching you load it. I'm like, how is this gonna work?
I got this 20, and I have 12 15K Taramps. 12 of those. So it's like 200,000 watts of just bass.
It's gonna be serious.
But it's a lot because you got to stop on the outside and work your way in.
Yeah.
You got to build it strong. take off that ring.
Yeah, get
or
ready
do
though.
something because you ain't, I don't know. You'll be sleeping on the couch for a long time.
Yeah, it ain't gonna work out. I know what you mean, bro. It was nice seeing you, man. I'm gonna see you on the next go round.
Yeah, man.
All right, brother.
All right.
All right. Hey, you still rolling?
Yeah, it's still
Subscribe to this man's YouTube page, all right? You hear me? All right, so I appreciate it, man. Tell me.
And you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.